we've been talking about similar triangles today. So I want to show you a trick that surveyors used to use to measure things using similar triangles. So I am here at Bolson Creek Falls, which is down by Conway. Conway School's maybe half a mile up that way. And I want to measure this waterfall. So I have in my hand here a ruler, and my arm from my hand to my shoulder is 24 inches, almost exactly 2 feet, okay? I am standing 100 feet away from the waterfall. So if I kind of hold this ruler up there and measure it, I get 16 inches for the height of the falls, which is 1¼ feet, 1.25 feet. So we have here a triangle. It's 1.25 feet tall by 2 feet long, and I'm 100 feet away from the waterfall. So we should be able to use that information to figure out how tall the waterfall is. Let's go back to Mr. Young in the studio to see the actual math. Thanks, Mr. Young from the field. So let's go ahead and take a look at what he's talking about and see if we can figure out how tall this waterfall is. So what we're going to do is set up a ratio. We're going to do the height of each triangle over the length of the triangle. And then you might remember doing this from kind of middle school. So the height of the small triangle from my fist to the top of the ruler was 1.25 feet divided by 2 feet, because that was the length of my arm. And then we're going to set that equal to the height of the waterfall, which we don't know, divided by the distance to the waterfall. So we're going to call the height of the waterfall x. And we're going to cross multiply. So 2 times x is going to equal 1.25 times 100. Okay, so we got 2x equals 125. And then if I divide both sides by 2, I get x equals 62.5 feet. That is pretty accurate. I have measured this waterfall with more accurate ways, and it's 58 feet tall. So we are only off by a couple feet there. So this technique can be pretty darn accurate. It's definitely better than looking at it and going, oh, that looks like it's about 60 feet. So there you go. That's how you can measure waterfalls or trees or pretty much anything with a ruler and some similar triangles. Pretty cool, huh?